The Brooklyn Bridge is an iconic piece of New York City and beyond. It was designed by John Roeblings and said to be his last and greatest achievement. It spans New York's East River to connect Manhattan and Brooklyn, and it's said to be one of the most impressive and greatest human creation. And a trip to New York City will not be complete without a visit and a photo in whichever side you prefer. So let's discover and wander around New York City's most iconic bridge.
What's up, Discoverers?
And Wanderers!
For today's video, mag-explore tayo dito sa
Brooklyn, New York!
Let's go!
1, 2, 3, 4!
At dahil nandito na rin lang tayo sa Brooklyn, dumaan muna kami dito sa DUMBO. This neighborhood is known to be the most Instagrammable spot in New York City.
Hi, Wanderers! Nandito tayo ngayon sa famous picture spot here in DUMBO!
Alam niyo ba, Wanderers, kung anong ibig sabihin ng DUMBO? It's an acronym for Down Under the Manhattan Bridge Overpass. Ito yung sikat na backdrop na nakikita natin sa mga Instagram posts. Kaya naman, syempre, magpipicture din tayo. Grabe talaga yung effort ko para lang sa isang decent photo.
Ginagawa mo!
Mika's turn!
Wow!
At dahil sobrang Instagrammable ng area, nag-moment na rin kami dito, Wanderers! If you wanna see our photos, please check our Instagram, ha? Alam niyo ba, Wanderers, na aside from this breathtaking Manhattan Bridge view, there are also lots of bars, restaurants, coffee shops, and parks. And sabi nila, DUMBO is also one of the best places to live in New York City. It's a very trendy neighborhood, and living in DUMBO offers residents a dense urban feel. And in our opinion, I think DUMBO is one of the best neighborhoods na na-visit namin dito sa New York City. This part of Brooklyn is very nice and very tourist-friendly. We really enjoyed our morning as we wander around DUMBO and discover the beauty that this trendy neighborhood can offer.
Few inches later.
And since nandito na rin lang kami sa Brooklyn, dumaan na kami dito sa famous chocolate store. This is Jacques Torres Chocolate Store. He is a very well-known chocolatier and dubbed as Mr. Chocolate. And here in DUMBO, Brooklyn, you will find his first ever chocolate store that offers hand-baked chocolate treats, hot chocolate, and ice cream sandwiches. Sobrang dami ng pwedeng mabili nyo dito, Wanderers. If you are a chocolate lover, this place is heaven for you. Kaya naman, if you wanna satisfy your chocolate needs, I recommend you visit Jacques Torres here in DUMBO, Brooklyn.
A few moments later.
After a few-minute walk, nandito na tayo sa main agenda natin for today. Welcome to Brooklyn Bridge, Wanderers! Alam niyo ba, Wanderers, that this bridge was built between 1869 and 1883, and the Brooklyn Bridge was at the time the world's largest suspension bridge and the first to use steel as cable wire. During the 1800s, this is a symbol of progress in the industrial age. It also became a favorite motif for modern painters and photographers. Diba sabi ko sa inyo, Wanderers, that this is John Augustus Roebling's last and greatest achievement? Pero alam nyo din ba that this bridge will not be completed without the help and perseverance of a woman? Alam nyo ba, Wanderers, that John Augustus Roebling died even before the construction of the bridge? Kaya naman his son and successor, Washington Roebling, took over the construction and the engineering job for the Brooklyn Bridge. But during the construction, nagkasakit din si Washington Roebling. And that was the time that he needed the help of his wife. Her name is Emily Roebling. Alam niyo ba, Wanderers, that she was the first woman engineer? At nung nagkasakit yung asawa niya, she took over most of the engineering duties, including project management, and even the liaising and politicking duties between city officials, workers, and her husband para lang matapos ang world's first ever steel wire suspension bridge. Ang galing mo, Wanderers! So without the help and perseverance of a woman named Emily Roebling, I don't think ma-enjoy natin ang isa sa pinaka-impressive engineering creation sa buong mundo. And after a long history lesson, picture muna tayo! Oo nga pala, Wanderers, kilala nyo ba kung sino ang unang tao to cross the Brooklyn Bridge? It is none other than Emily Roebling. In return for her contribution and hard work, the people of New York gave her the privilege to be the first human being to cross the Brooklyn Bridge. She was given a ride over the completed bridge with a rooster on her lap, which is a sign of victory at that time. It was truly a magnificent way to honor the lady who saved the Brooklyn Bridge. Grabe, Wanderers! I didn't know that the construction of one of the most iconic structure of New York City was made possible because of a woman. Hindi lang pala maganda ang Brooklyn Bridge, pero meron din siyang rich and very interesting history. So, Discoverers and Wanderers, if ever you are planning to visit New York City, don't forget to put Brooklyn Bridge as part of your itinerary. New York City is a very expensive city. Kaya naman, konti lang yung mga attractions na pwede niyong puntahan for free. And one of those is the Brooklyn Bridge. This is a part of New York City that you should not miss. Sulit na sulit yung oras na ilalaan nyo dito, Wanderers. Oo nga pala, before I forget, March is Women Empowerment Month. And this vlog is our way of celebrating amazing women like Emily Roebling. And of course, to all the strong, independent ladies out there. May you be a discoverer or a wanderer. Cheers to you. You are all doing a great job and you are all amazing. And I hope na meron kayong natutunan at nag-enjoy kayo sa pamamasyal natin dito sa Brooklyn Bridge. Grabe, Wanderers! Alam niyo ba that it was truly an amazing experience for me and Nico to discover the rich history of this bridge while wandering around it. A very memorable one for us indeed. And that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching.
At kung nag-enjoy kayo,
Please do subscribe to our channel
give us a thumbs up
and hit that bell for more wild adventures
and misadventures as we discover
and wonder New York City!